Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. So today in this video, I'll teach you how you can create a video from an image by using Filmora. So if this is the first time you're watching my video, then please do consider subscribing, as I'll bringing in more videos related to Filmora, as this is Filmora made easy. All right. So first and foremost thing, what we will do is we'll open up our Wondershare Filmora, and then I'll click on new project. All right. Once we click on new project, we will go to stock media, and under stock media, we'll go to AI media. We'll just click on it, and there we have it, the image to video, feature of Filmora. But before that, I want to show you that this is only available in the latest version of Filmora. So make sure you click on check for update to get any updates that is available for your system or for your version of Filmora. So for me making the video, it is 14.9.14. For you, if you're watching in later part of this year, then it will be different. It will be an updated version. All right, so how to use it? Just click on image requirement button here to add your image, and then just add the image that you want. For example, I have this deer art image. I'll just choose it. All right, you can also choose between stitch mode or single image, and also you can choose your aspect ratio. For me, I'll choose custom and click on submit. All right, once we are done with that, you also have other options like start and end frame to video, reference video. If you have any, you can add it here, or video element editing. If you want to change for example, an intro video, there is a logo, you can just use it to change that logo for your own logo. It is great. Now here we will have to describe the image that we want. For me in this video, I'll want animate the deer and make sure it dances to a beat. All right, once you do that, you can also choose which AI model to use. VEO3. VEO3 is the best, I think. And also under settings, you have options to choose from, for example, 720p, and duration is 8 seconds. That's all available. And then finally, click on the generate button. But here's what I found the problematic thing. All right, the idea is great. Adding an image to video generator inside Filmora, it is a great feature. All right, we all love it. But the thing is, the AI credits required to do this task is a lot. It's huge. Like, I think Wondershare is trying to rip us off. I don't know, but I think the amount should go down, because if I click here, I just don't even have enough AI credits. Why? Because it uses 1,100 AI credits to create a video. But I already did create a video which somewhat looks like this. If I just go ahead and click on 24 frames per second and just reduce the music, this is what it looks like, and it is really impressive seeing that how it animated this deer so beautifully. Before, it would take an animator and it would charge around $400 to $500 just to animate this thing. But right now it's just done with just few clicks. Everyone can be an animator. So this idea is amazing. I really love it. But the only problem that I face is the AI credits required to make this happen. It's just way too high. But other than that, besides video generation, you also have video inspiration. You can choose any templates that you want, surrounded by beautiful people, live memoji, bite to baby and stuff like that. There are a lot of thumbnails that you can choose. Disco beats kind of look interesting. But yeah, these are all, beat motion also looks interesting. So yeah, you can just go ahead and use all those templates if you want. Well, that's pretty much it. Please let me know in the comment box down below how you like this idea about using an image and converting it into a video. I think it's pretty great feature that is added to Filmora, but the only problem that I have is the AI credits required. It's way too much. Please let me know what your thoughts in the comment box down below. This is your V-Bro from Filmora Made Easy, and I am signing out for now. Take care until then.